Excuse me, fellas. I'm going to slip back up here with my family real quick. Thank you.
So I guess I'll just come back.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I watch because I'm 8. I watch it.
Oh, there he is. There's Thomas the Train.
What is the name of your camera?
It's a GoPro. It's a high-def fish lens. It's for sports. So they normally come with mounts, and you can
I saw
use
that on the,
all the.
I saw
yeah.
a coupon for
You
that
like it?
the other day.
I love it,
Okay.
but it's not really very good for this. But it's nice. You have to do GoPro.
Okay.
It has limitations. So there's an iPad app where you can actually see what it's filming. But right now I don't know what I can't. There's no lens to look through a zoom or anything. So it's really geared more for like active sports. Sorry.
Right. Or train.
Yeah. Woo! Thomas the Train. There's the big one.
See that player?
He's red like your hair.
Hey fella, what's going on?
Where's the boys? I'll just keep moving with the stroller. Is that the way to do it?
I want to get this train coming across.
I want to move that. I want
You want to get on my shoulders? Oh, I keep missing the train.
Go double line with you here.
You can, Dad, you can park the stroller. Why don't you just park it over there, and then we can all roam and take it out of the line.
Let's keep finding more.
You hop back in line. Come on, boys.
Okay, there's the big one. I want to catch it. Okay, go ahead, Ben.
That's what it looks like to me. Go inside and sleep during the day. No. He's cool. You know?
There's the Eiffel Tower. Oh wow, one's coming this way, one's going that way. Hey Maria, look, Mama sees over here.
Okay, let me slip through here real quick.
You got it.
Oh, there it is, Dan.
Hey, Nate, I think that's the Polar Express up top. It's the Polar Express. Oh, it's going this way. Oh, I'm not supposed to touch.
Come back. Come back, Ron. Come back. Come back.
Okay, what's over on this side?
Charlie, this side, buddy.
Look at us on TV.
See us.
No, this is how you see yourself.
Where's the camera?
Hi. Hi, 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 hi.
Where's the camera?
Hey, there it is.
Cameras, right?
He's in the tunnel.
Okay, Jim Carrey. Sometimes you're just like Jim Carrey.
Where did the boys go?
Or,
Hey, Nate'ster. Do you want to get on the camera? Look. Look at the camera right here. You ready? Look in the camera. See the lens right here? You look there and smile and I'll get you on film. No, yeah, don't look at the screen. Look at the
Grandpa,
camera.
be with you. Here's you and Grandpa. We'll both look at it.
I'm gonna do my fish. You ready? Here, Grandpa, hold that up to the lens. You ready? No, hold it up here to this one. You ready?
Okay, where's Aiden? Aiden! There you are. Grandpa's got you. Look
up there.
See? Now look at here. Oh, look.
I missed it.
Just looking at the screen.
Sorry.
What is that?
It's a GoPro. It's a HD sport camera, fish lens. It's pretty cool. I mean, when you load it up, it looks pretty good. It just gets such a broad. It's a fish lens, but it's not real fishy. You know what I mean? It doesn't like make it totally. Little train.
Okay, let's go find Mommy. He looks well, I was close.
No touching. I filmed this one earlier already. Hey, look at Mommy. Okay, Nate, come on, honey, no touching, remember?
Can I get a picture of you two boys?
Give me your Mopire vampire. What is it? The vampire mopey face?
The handsome vampire movie.
Can I see your handsome vampire mopey face, Ben?
I'll get it down.
That's pretty good.